Hi, this is Amanda with Vacation Rental 365, and I'm going to show you how to sign our rental agreement for your upcoming stay. Your rental agreement is going to be sent to your email address you indicated when you made your reservation. It's going to be sent to you from Adobe Sign, as you can see here. Go ahead and scroll down and click on the blue link halfway down your screen that reads, "Click here to review and sign your rental agreement, valid for 24 hours." Once you click the link, it will open your rental agreement in a new tab. You will see a message from us at Vacation Rental 365 in the top right, how many fields you have left to complete in the top right corner, and a yellow Start button on the left of the agreement. I'm going to go ahead and click the Start button to begin signing the agreement. In the first field, I'm going to enter my initials. Let's pretend my name is David Tommy, so I'm going to enter DT. And as you can see, it's automatically populated to a couple of fields. I'm going to click Enter on my keyboard until I get to a field where I need to enter more information. I'm going to enter my initials again, DT. Here you have a choice. You can either type your initials, or if you prefer, you can click on the icon that says Draw and draw your initials. If you are on a desktop, you will use your mouse. If you're on a tablet or phone, you will use your finger. Once you're done drawing your initials, you will click on the blue Apply button to save it. To continue, you click Enter on your keyboard, or you can click the yellow Next tab. Once you initial that field, you're going to click Next a couple of times until it asks you for your signature. Click on this field and enter your name. I'm going to write in David Tommy and click Apply. If you prefer to draw your signature, you can go to the Draw icon and use your mouse or finger to write your signature in the box. Either way is perfectly fine, but we like to give you the option just in case you prefer one or the other. Once you're done drawing or typing your signature, click on the blue Apply button to apply the signature to the agreement. You can see here that my signature is now appearing on the rental agreement. Now you're going to need to fill out your cell number. We do ask that you enter your mobile number in case we need to contact you during your stay. Then it's going to ask you if you stayed with us at Vacation Rental 365 before, and you can just answer yes or no. It's okay if you don't remember. We can always look you up in our system if you cannot remember whether you have stayed with us. Then it's going to ask you some information about your group. How many adults, how many couples, how many singles, what the age range of the group is, etc. If a field is not applicable to you, for instance, if you have no single people in your group, just enter 0 or NA for not applicable. If you leave a field blank, you will not be able to submit your rental agreement. It's also going to ask if you're planning on bringing a pet to this home. This will only be asked if your home is pet friendly. It's then going to ask you what breed the dog is and how many dogs you're planning on bringing with you. Once you click Next, it's going to highlight our pet fee and make sure that you have your initials entered by this field. If you're staying with us during the winter, it's going to show you our winter addendum. Please enter the make and model of the car you're planning on bringing. Enter whether you have studded tires or chains, and if you have driven in the snow before. Once all of the required fields have been filled out, you will see that there is a gray check mark and the word completed at the top right of the page. Now all you have to do is click the blue button at the bottom of the page that says Click to Sign. The screen may process for a second, and then it will say you have successfully signed the rental agreement, valid for 24 hours. A copy of your signed rental agreement will be automatically sent to us and yourself, and you can download a copy of the rental agreement for your records. The only thing left to do to confirm your reservation is to send us a picture of your driver's license to confirm your identity. You can send this to our email address, booknow@myvr365.com. Thank you very much, and we look forward to having you stay with us. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to sign our rental agreement. If you found this informative, check out some of our other videos. If you want to see pictures of our homes, be sure to visit our website or find us on Instagram or Facebook. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching Vacation Rental 365, and we hope you have an exceptional day.